before the car meet. Woo! Sounds like gunshots. That is loud. Scatter! Scatter, everybody! We're like rats. A cop shows up and acts like this is Fast and the Furious. So Harvey's dead. It's just us, we're just chilling.
The brakes didn't work.
Yeah, I had a
Flamingo shirt.
had a fat knock.
Hey. He's wearing a flamingo shirt.
Rattling.
He thought it was flowers, but it's flamingo. The cops came.
He's YouTube famous.
And now
I'm gonna review his car. I just found out right now.
let's do a review on it.
Dude,
tell me what. Tell me what you know about my car.
Huh?
Tell me what you know about my car.
It has this black trim around it that looks very nice.
It's a neat trim, yeah. Neat trim.
Watch out the wind. Notice
I know. If you can hear me.
These helmets, do they come standard? Wait, these don't actually have blinkers, right? Do these helmets here, do they come standard from factory?
These come factory. They come with blinker fluid.
Okay. But they drain out, right?
They drain out. Yeah, he knows because he has flamingos.
Yeah.
I
have two in my yard.
He has 2 flamingos in his yard, but he knows about BMWs. You know, I don't know shit. All my projects on YouTube is because him. We look alike kinda because we're both tall. That's it. But you know.
Hey, stand together. Let me get you guys on.
He's taller.
Stand next to
Yeah,
him.
I'm taller. Yeah, put the glass on. Fuck yeah, dude.
Holy shit.
There you go. Hey, you're working on it, dude.
Check out that FC though.
If you can't hear, we're just chilling. Ain't but a thing.